All right, here we are, right around lunchtime of day number dos. It just started raining like a freak. Thunderstorm just popped up on us.
Hey, how's the weather up there, buddy?
Shut up!
Oh no.
You know, it's raining, but good news is, let me show you how far we've gotten. Bam! Got the whole pond rocked in. We're starting to do our finishing edges. We got a nice big chunk of log in there. That's a nice oak log right there. We got all that in. We got plumbing, pump. I was about to do the autofill and then it started coming down. So we're gonna go ahead and go to lunch, but we have done a lot. Oh, we got hail coming down. Look at that. Damn. Woo! We got hail. Hail's coming down. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut down all my camera equipment and whatnot before we get hailed on. Holy crap! I'm just got hit. Ow! Shit! Ow! Ah, gotta go! Gotta go! Oh my God! Hey, Jerry, what are you doing?
I am drilling a hole through a log.
Through a log for what?
For a fountain that I came.
What are you using to run? Oh, I see. Is that what that little Ultra 800's for, and that little half-inch pipe? So what is that gonna do? They gonna spit some water?
Water.
It's gonna spit some water out.
Water.